Chapter 11. Where do we live? Why do we need a house? We need a house because it protects us from the heat, cold, rain, sun, and thieves, and wild animals. Do you know that there are different types of houses? A bungalow is a strong pakka house, and hut is a kacha house. A good house should be free of insects, should have proper drainage system, and should be neat and clean. A variety of materials are used for building house like mud, cement, glass, sandstone, etc. Other creatures like lions, birds, monkey, and rabbits also make their own house. Let us learn about the house in detail in this chapter. So, let us read how is it explained in our book. Within our house. It is our home. A house protects us from heat, cold, rain, sun, thieves, and wild animals. It keeps us safe and gives us comfort. Kinds of houses. The kind of houses we build depends upon the place where we live and the amount of money we can spend on building the house. Different kinds of houses are shown below. A bungalow is a strong or pakka house. It is mostly found in towns and cities. A hut is a kacha house. It is found in villages. A houseboat is a floating house. It is found in Kashmir. A tent is made of canvas. Soldiers and scouts live inside it. A caravan is a movable house. It moves on wheels. People like Banjaras and Gypsies live inside it. An igloo is a house of snow. It is found in very cold regions. Features of a good house. All of us feel happy and comfortable when we are in our house. If we want to remain healthy, we must keep our house neat and clean. A good house should be neat and clean. It should have proper sunlight and ventilation. House should be free from insects. Proper drainage system is must for a good house. Garbage should be thrown in a covered dustbin. Building materials. Houses are made of different kinds of materials. Pakka houses, bungalows and flats are made of bricks, cement, wood, steel, and glass. Kacha house means huts are made of mud, grass, wood, and bamboo. Mud, steel, glass, wood, cement, grass, bamboo, sand and stones, bricks, shelter for other living beings. Like us, other living beings also need a shelter. Some animals live in natural shelters. Some build their own homes, while others live in man-made homes. Animals like monkeys, elephants, bears, lions, chimpanzees, deer, gorillas, zebras, and squirrels live in natural shelters. They do not build their homes. Animals like ants, rats, spiders, rabbits, and birds build their own homes. Weaver bird and tailor bird are called natural architects. They build beautiful nests. Honeybees make an air-conditioned beehive. It remains warm in winter and cold in summer. Domestic animals like cows, buffaloes, sheep, goats, horses, cats, dogs, and hens live in man-made houses. Lions and bears live in dens. Monkeys, chimpanzees, and gorillas live on trees. Elephants, deer, and zebras live in jungles. Rabbits and snakes live in holes. A bird builds a nest. A squirrel lives in a drain. A cow lives in a shed. A spider makes a web. Honeybee makes a beehive. Hens are kept in a coop. Sheep lives in a pen. A dog lives in a kennel. A parrot is kept in a cage. A horse lives in a stable. Now children, let us revise what we learned in this chapter. Time to revise. A house protects us from weather, thieves, and wild animals. Pakka houses are made of bricks, cement, wood, steel, and glass. Kacha houses are made of wood, mud, grass, and bamboo. Animals also need a shelter.